I'm gonna be honest. I love the way it looks, but I find the red just doesn't really pop the way that I want it to, and I kind of want to fix the eye so it doesn't look so gross. So I'm probably going to try to fix that so it's more glossy. I'm not really happy with the color of the horns. To me, the kind of chocolatey brown doesn't really look that appealing. I'm not happy with my shadows, and I just think I could do so much better with the color scheme. So, especially since that was my first big airbrush project that I've ever done, I think I can do a bit better on the second time around. And I'm not usually one to go back over my artwork and redo it. I usually just move on and do something else. So I'm going to take this opportunity with the motivation and inspiration that I have to try to make something better. I played with the colors a little bit, and I found that a purple and gold or purple and yellow seems to look a lot better than the red browny color that I had going. Here's a digitally painted draft that I did, and that's the top view, the front view, and the side view. And I feel like this just looks so much cooler. I might actually even try to make the eye look more like a actual dragon eye. Sure, yeah, maybe it looks a little bit too much like Spyro, but I'm really feeling the purple, and I think it will pop a lot more. So far I've mixed my primer and I'm ready to start painting over all of my hard work.